Place a mask behind the bathroom door, and you won't believe the results. I bet you've never seen a trick like this, but I'm sure that when you find out what it's for, you'll run to make it at home. So watch until the end, because in this video, I'm going to show you what the purpose of putting clothes is at the entrance to your house. And for this simple trick, we will need a disposable mask, and it doesn't have to be new, it can be used too. First, we will need to cut a piece of it more or less here. And the other part, we will not throw away, as we will also need the other elastic. Now let's open our mask, and we are going to use a very special and useful ingredient for this tip, which is the clove. Take some of the clove and place it inside the mask. Then just close and tie with the other elastic. It will look like this, as if it were a small bag. Now, all you need to do is stick this on the bathroom door. And you must be curious, wondering what this is for. Folks, cloves, in addition to being a very aromatic spice, will help eliminate bad odors in the bathroom. That's right. After use, it will also keep fragrant for 24 hours. You'll like it so much that you won't want to get out of the shower. This will eliminate bad odors, and as I said at the beginning, you will also keep your bathroom smelling 24 hours a day. Cloves give off a super relaxing smell and inhibit bad smells in your bathroom. If you prefer, you can also use this natural homemade air freshener to keep your clothes fragrant. Just put it in the drawer with your clothes. And you can also leave your towels, sheets, and bedding fragrant by placing them in the closet. And that's not all. You can also hang this bag in the kitchen or at the entrance to your home, as in windows and doors. And this will help eliminate mosquitoes and insects. Since the strong aroma of cloves helps to scare away insects, if your kitchen, bedroom, or living room has a lot of mosquitoes, hang this. And when the wind blows through your window, it will send a wonderful aroma into your home. And now I'm going to show you what the purpose of putting cloves at the entrance to your house is. As I already said, cloves are an excellent homemade repellent. It helps against flies, mosquitoes, and cockroaches, and even spiders. So if you face this problem, place this at the entrance of your house, and it will definitely help you a lot. And there are also those who say that cloves help to ward off negative energy. So it's really worth it. So that's it. I hope you liked it. Which of the tips did you like the most? And when will you start using it? Bye, and see you in the next video.